All right, well, we're outside today. We're gonna show you how to change the belt on the mower deck of a Toro. I think it's a 2012 Toro TimeCutter zero-turn mower. It's a real simple process. Some people will do it while the deck is installed. I'll tell you, these decks are so easy to remove that I highly encourage you to remove the deck and just slide it out. It allows you to do some maintenance on it, check it out. Real simple process, so let's get to it. All right, so the first thing we got to do to take this deck off is we're going to come down here and we are going to take this pin out. So this pin comes out, this washer comes out. We're just going to change the deck today, we're going to change the belt today. And it's actually a fairly simple process. Lift that up a little bit, get your hand out of the way. And then what we got to do is, you can see this over here. This is actually sitting up on this piece here. And I'm going to lift this up. You should be able to see it. See how that comes off there? So that's all we're doing is we're lifting that one side off. Now I'm going to lift this other side off. That's all we do. The last thing you're going to do is you're just going to move this belt off of this pulley right here. Now the deck is completely free. This actually comes right out, just like that. So now what I can do is I can get all this extra debris out of here. And what you want to do is you want to watch, you want to look at how this is all set up. So you can see that the belt goes around here, comes in through there, belt goes around there, comes in through there. So we're going to set the new belt up the exact same way. So I got this set up already, 8 millimeters. You can do this job without taking the deck off, but this is actually easier to do taking the deck out. Got a lot of stuff on here from years of use. So I'll get this cleaned up, and so this just comes off just like that. Air goes a long way. Alright, so I'm just going to put this back together like this. Pretty simple stuff. This just goes back in the same spot it was. You want to make sure that this is on the other side. But everything rolls really well. You know, now would be a nice time for me to sharpen my mower blades, but I'm just not going to do that. I forgot to put the covers back on. Now we're ready to slide the deck back underneath here. Kind of an angle, but kind of want to line it up exactly where it was. Exactly where it was there. I'm gonna go back underneath. So got that hook back on the side over there. Hook one side up over here. Grab the other side, hook it up over there. And then the last thing you want to do is you gotta put this back in over here. Which actually that just goes up over there. You can see that I just put this on here. Put that on there like that. And there we go. And that is a belt change on a Toro TimeCutter zero-turn 42-inch mower deck. There's some slight variance of these, but overall the process is the same. It's actually much easier to drop the deck. So you can change the belt while it's on, but you saw how that easy that was. With me filming, I probably could have done the whole thing in less than 5 minutes. So pretty slick setup, but we'll be back at you later with with some other stuff. It's spring, so we got lots to do. Thanks, everybody.